This is a story about my puppy Nikita. Howling at the moon, please rescue me. Is there someone out there listening to my fears? Abandoned by my family, my heart is so lonely. I am howling at the moon, hoping for God to hear me. I am howling at the moon, God, rescue me. Oh, oh. Here comes the lightning, along with the rain. I have no shelter, I'm so afraid of thunder. I am howling at the moon, hoping for God to hear me. I am howling at the moon, God, rescue me. Oh, oh. For days I have not eaten. God, I'm so hungry. I have tried begging, but nobody is giving. I am howling at the moon, I am howling at the moon, hoping for God to hear me. I am howling at the moon, God, please rescue me. Oh, oh. This is hoping that many puppies out there will get rescued like my Nikita did. Thank you.